Hey, do you know where...
I am Lemon John. I see you made it past our lemon... orangery.
Wait, what?
They're quite hungry.
Yeah, what the heck's going on here?
There is no food, only lemons. Lemons with bellies empty but for their lemon lusts.
Whatever, Lemon John. We've got to give those dumb butts these seeds.
Where should we go?
My senses tell me that they're in the dungeon. They've been there for 3 weeks. 3 weeks dungeon.
I wonder who put them in there.
I don't know, but we gotta bust them out. Which way to the dungeon, Lemon John?
Oh, cool.
Thanks, man!
Yeah, thanks, man.